This is a time when the Reserve Bank of India is entering the final stages of issuing new banking licenses to a few players, maybe within the next few months. One of the well-established goals, expectations of the central bank and the government from the new banks is that these entities will push the rural lending, the financial inclusion agenda to the far-flung areas of the country and include more population into the formal banking services. But taking a relook at the performance of some of our existing large private sector banks will tell you a different or rather disappointing story. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to say that none of our major private sector banks have actually succeeded in making any major headway to push financial inclusion or do something significant when it comes to rural lending. Even after 2 decades, they were given licenses by the central bank. Now, what are the reasons? Banks have multiple arguments such as unwillingness of staff to go to rural India, the lack of viability, but whatever the reasons are, it is a fact that none of our large banks, which including ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank or Axis Bank, have actually succeeded in performing the miracle to push the financial inclusion agenda what the central bank and the government was expecting from them. Now, it is a serious situation. Experts are highly critical and skeptical about the performance of our existing private sector banks and they are doubtful about the expectation of the RBI that these new players with no major experience in commercial banking space so far will come and perform miracle in rural villages of India.